Zoom error code 1001, unable to join meeting, indicates a connection or authentication failure that prevents you from accessing your meeting. In this video, we will explore the common causes of this error and how to troubleshoot them effectively. The most frequent cause of Zoom error code 1001 is a poor internet connection. This happens when your network doesn't have enough speed or stability for Zoom's video streaming requirements. To check your connection, verify your internet speed using a speed test tool. Zoom recommends a minimum upload and download speed of 1.5 megabyte per second for reliable meetings. If your speed is below the minimum, try restarting your router or modem. Unplug the power for 30 to 60 seconds, then plug it back in to reset the connection. Another option is to switch to a more stable network. Try connecting via Ethernet cable or switch to mobile data if your Wi-Fi is unreliable. These steps should help resolve connection-related error 1001 issues in most cases. VPNs and antivirus software can sometimes interfere with Zoom's connection. Temporarily disable them to see if that resolves the error. Over time, Zoom's cache can become corrupted and cause connectivity issues like error 1001. Clearing the cache often resolves these problems by removing outdated or problematic temporary files. The cache location depends on your operating system. Refer to Zoom's support documentation for exact paths. On Windows, navigate to Zoom's cache folder in App Data and delete its contents. You can also clear browser history if using web version. On Mac, go to your User Library folder, then Caches, and delete Zoom's cache files. Alternatively, use the Go to Folder command as shown. Remember to restart Zoom after clearing the cache to ensure the changes take effect. Zoom version 6.2.0 and later include an AI-driven troubleshooter. When you encounter error 1001, this feature automatically analyzes potential causes like network latency or firewall blocks and suggests fixes in real time. Take advantage of this tool for quick resolutions as it has reduced error incidences by up to 25%. Zoom integrates with cloud-based identity providers like Okta and Microsoft Entra to streamline authentication. If your organization uses these services, ensuring your Zoom account is properly linked and authenticated through them can prevent error code 1001. Cloud-based identity providers manage user access and authentication securely in the cloud. Zoom connects to these services to verify your identity before joining meetings. Common providers include Microsoft Entra ID and Okta. These handle single sign-on and multi-factor authentication for enterprise environments. First, check which identity provider your organization uses. This is typically configured by your IT department. Then, ensure your Zoom account is properly linked and authenticated through these services. Log in through your organization's portal to confirm the connection. Proper linking prevents authentication failures that can trigger error code 1001, ensuring smooth access to Zoom meetings. Zoom's architecture supports two main connection methods: peer-to-peer and cloud-based routing. Peer-to-peer connections allow direct communication between users, ideal for small meetings with good network conditions. For larger meetings or when direct connections aren't possible, Zoom routes through cloud servers on AWS and Azure. Microsoft Azure also provides cloud infrastructure for Zoom's global network. Error code 1001 occurs when the client's handshake with Zoom's API fails during connection establishment. This failure often points to network connectivity problems or authentication issues preventing the secure connection. Firewalls are essential security tools that protect your device by monitoring and controlling network traffic. They can sometimes block Zoom's connection to the internet, leading to error 1001. A firewall acts as a barrier between your local network and the internet, allowing only approved traffic through based on predefined rules. If Zoom is not permitted through the firewall, it cannot establish the necessary connections to Zoom's servers, resulting in the inability to join meetings. To resolve this, check your firewall settings and ensure Zoom is allowed to communicate. For example, in Windows Defender Firewall, navigate to the Allowed Apps section and verify that Zoom is checked for both private and public networks. After making these adjustments, restart the Zoom application and attempt to join the meeting once more. In 2025, TechCorp, a large multinational company, experienced a significant challenge with Zoom error code 1001 during a critical global meeting. Over 10,000 employees were unable to join the meeting, causing major disruption to the company's operations. The root cause was identified as a faulty VPN update that interfered with network connectivity and Zoom's connection protocols. Zoom's technical support team quickly developed and deployed a custom patch, restoring access for all affected users within hours. This case study demonstrates the critical importance of conducting thorough IT pre-checks and keeping software updated to avoid similar connectivity issues. A remote worker in 2026 faced repeated error 1001 on their mobile device. The problem was traced to a router firmware bug. Updating the router firmware resolved the issue. This shows how device-level issues can cause error 1001. Zoom's secure browser mode is designed for high-stakes scenarios like virtual exams. It creates a controlled environment that prevents conflicts with other software, helping to mitigate error 1001. This mode ensures compatibility by limiting external software interference, which is especially useful in educational settings where errors can disrupt important assessments. To enable secure browser mode, first access your Zoom settings through the gear icon. Then enable the secure browser option in the settings menu. Finally, join the meeting using this controlled environment. This approach has proven effective in university settings during virtual exams, reducing the occurrence of error 1001. Experts recommend several key practices to avoid Zoom error code 1001. First, regularly update your Zoom app to ensure you have the latest bug fixes and improvements. Second, always check your internet connection before joining a meeting. Ensure you have stable connectivity with at least 1.5 megabit per second speed. Third, avoid using conflicting software such as VPNs or antivirus programs that might block Zoom's connection. Temporarily disable them if needed. As Zoom CTO Eric Yuan emphasizes, most connectivity errors are preventable with these basic maintenance steps.